If you're not using this most crucial industry secret in production, it's probably the reason your products don't slap as hard as they should. It's called the entourage effect, understanding which terpenes magnify instead of decrease certain cannabinoids. It's really all you need to take a mid-product and make it slap like a flip-flop. Most people just throw together some random juice from XYZ website to get some weird strawberry banana fizz concoction, but that's not how this is done. Common terpenes include limonene, pinene, myrcene, and caryophyllene, but I'm going to show you which ones to add with each specific cannabinoid. To send your consumers to the moon, for Delta 9 use pinene, for CBD use myrcene, for Delta 8 use limonene. Oh, don't worry, I'm going to tell you what percentage. Stay focused, this is important. For HHC, use a pinene and caryophyllene combination. For CBN, use linalool. Take the targeted terpene for the cannabinoid and mix it at 2% ratio. Now you can use an additional 3% whatever toilet sauce flavoring you want to use. Try to avoid over 5% ratio in total, as it will make your vape burn your lungs and make you want to puke your guts out. Follow me for more tips and tricks.